Hello, my name is Aguado and this is CEO186P under section E01, and now we're gonna create activity 1 entitled basic input and output. This part we're gonna need a push button, an LED, and of course the Arduino Uno. So here we have the Arduino Uno here. Of course the breadboard, a push button, an LED, and two resistors, and of course some connecting wires. So the first thing we do is to check if the uh, board is in Arduino and the port is connected. So as we can see, the board and the port are correct. So now we're gonna create a code that will help us run a push button to turn on the LED and turn off if the push button is not pushed. So first, let's declare an int LED, and let's put the LED to the port number 12, and uh, declare a button and put it 4. So here in the void setup, uh, let's put the pin mode, LED as the output, and pin mode, hold on, we have a mistake, pin mode button as the input. So now here should create an if statement, so that if digital read, which is the button, is push equals high, meaning the LED will be lighted up. So here let's put digital right LED. Oh, I mean the button is high if it's pushed. Okay, so LED and then high, and after this if statement, let's put an else digital right LED is off or low. There we go. So let's check if we have some errors. Let's go LE Act1. So it's compiling. While it's compiling, let's now put the hardware pieces in the breadboard. So first, we're gonna put the LED in place. So positive and negative should be known by the. So the long one is the positive. So the long leg of the LED is the positive. The first thing we do is uh, put a resistor in the negative part of the LED. So then connect the other side of the resistor to the ground with the use of connecting wires. So and then let's connect the ground of the breadboard to the ground of the Arduino Uno. So the connected here. And then the positive part of the LED should be connected to the pin 12 of the Arduino, since that's where we put it in the code. So here, and then let's put the push button here, uh, almost beside the LED, and then let's connect uh, the the breadboard to the 5 volts in the Arduino Uno. So and then let's connect the resistor on the side of the push button, and connect the resistor to the ground. And then let's connect the side of the push button to the pin 4, since that's where we connect it. 2, 3, 4. And then the farthest side of the LED of the push button should be connected to the ground. To the 5 volts, I mean. And then let's see, upload the code to the Arduino. Let's check if the device is working. So when I push this button, the lights go on, and when I don't push it, the lights go off. So that's it. Thank you.